Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is voice over 5G technology. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Voice over 5G or VO5G is gradually replacing VoLTE, that is voice over long-term evaluation, as a new calling standard to match the next generation speeds. Now let's discuss what is VO5G. It is also known as Voice over New Radio or VoNR. This standard allows voice calls over 5G networks instead of the current standard that uses 4G. It leverages the advancements of 5G such as speed, capacity and responsiveness and directly applies them to enhance voice communication. Compatible phone, carrier support and 5G coverage are three criteria required for activation of VO5G. Now let's discuss about advancement of VO5G over VoLTE. Call quality with VO5G is better than VoLTE as former utilizes more advanced audio codecs, providing superior clarity and fidelity. Due to 5G's reduced network latency, call connection time will be faster with VoNR. The reliability and continuity of calls will be better under VoNR. The technology has lower power cuts, potentially leading to fewer voice cutouts. Now moving on to disadvantages. It doesn't support 2G and 3G networks infrastructure. It lacks support for circuit-switched voice calls. VO5G might not be accessible in numerous regions owing to the absence of 5G network coverage. The steep expenses associated with 5G devices pose a barrier. The functioning of VO5G relies on the costly construction of 5G infrastructure, and the intricate nature of VO5G technology implementation could lead to troubleshooting challenges. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the voice over 5G or VO5G technology. 1. VO5G will also support 2G and 3G networks. 2. The technology will support fewer voice cuts than other networks. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, or neither one nor two? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.